guys, it's Stefaniaenimareviews. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be installing a 14-inch 13x4 straight wig from Jaycee hair. Thank you so much to them for sending me this wig. This hair is so beautiful. Like, this is my favorite wig by far. The knots were really easy to bleach. It came pre-plucked, so it's very beginner friendly too. And yeah, I just love this wig. Like, it's perfect for everyday wear. It's just really nice. Like I said, my favorite wig so far. It came nicely cut, like I didn't cut it or anything. And yeah, it's just such a nice wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, then just keep on watching. Oh yeah, I'm gonna link their details down below, so don't forget to go and check them out. And yeah. Hey guys, as you can already see, I have my wig cap on. I then pulled the wig on to see how good it fit, and it actually fit pretty well. I then cut the lace into tabs so that'd be easier for me to glue down and work on the smaller sections. I sprayed 2 layers of Got To Be spray as usual and blow dried each layer on the cool setting. I then placed the lace on the glue and combed it through with the rat tail comb. After gluing down each section, I tied it down with my elastic band for 10 minutes so that the lace could really melt into the glue. So after the 10 minutes, I took off the elastic band and started cutting off the lace. Unfortunately, I wasn't really in frame as I was cutting it, so you guys won't get to see me like cutting all the lace off, and I'm sorry. I sprayed some Got To Be spray on the end of my rat tail comb and went back into the front where it didn't stick down properly. I then started parting out sections of the hair that I was going to use for my baby hair or my edges, and I tried to take extra thin sections this time, which is the reason why I think my edges came out looking so nice. And yeah, I molded the rest of the hair back with my wax stick and my hot comb. I sprayed a little bit of got to be spray on the lace just to make sure that the hairs were all laying where they should be, and I tied it down whilst I was doing my middle part just to make sure everything's set in place. I decided to go with the middle part today because you can never go wrong with the middle part in straight hair, and I straightened my hair off camera as well. After straightening the wig, I went back in with my wax stick and hot comb just to make sure the top was laying flat, everything was laying where it should be, and the wig looked nice and sleek. I then added some concealer to the part to make it more defined. So when I was done with all of that, I took the elastic band off and look at how melted the lace was. Now it was time to start doing my edges. I laid my baby hair with the got to be in the black tube, and guys, when I tell you I was gassed when I saw the way my baby hairs came out. Like, they look so nice. I never did them that good before, so I was so excited and proud of myself. Like, the first one looks a bit but I fixed it at the end. The rest just came out so beautifully first time. After I was done with my baby hairs, I went back in with my wax stick and hot comb, made sure everything was laying nice and flat, everything looked sleek and seamless, and yeah, just bring the whole look together. This wig is definitely my favorite wig so far. Like, it is so beautiful, so soft, easy to manage. It didn't tangle, it didn't shed. Look at the way it flows. It gave me shine. Just a beautiful wig all round. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend it. Go down to the description box, check out the link, and go and get yourself a wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support and love I've been getting, and until next time, bye.